Hey guys, your alarm's going off, buddy.
Wicked.
We're trying to make an episode here, man. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Garage Mods. Sorry, I'm just being an idiot. Today we're basically going to be creating this and putting it into our Impreza. But this isn't actually even an Impreza, is it?
No, it's a Kia.
That's a Kia Rio, but it's basically the same concept. I've already bought it. It's in the car. We're going to show you how to install it because it's piss easy. And it's actually this color and doesn't match it, so we're going to vinyl dye it. I don't know if this one will come out as easy as the Impreza one. Yep, and that's it. That's basically how they come out. You just pull them and then you buy it. It's about $30 from PickPart, and I'm gonna basically black it out with vinyl dye, so let's go do that. That's what I wanted. Okay, got some vinyl dye, flat black, and the things down there that's going to go in the Impreza here, so you can sort of see it out there, but we're just colouring it now. I've already done the top bit. I'm holding it by two tyres, two ugliest rims and a battery, so let's go and do it. It's quite a big coverage, so be patient with it, don't overdo it. Tanned it into pretty much a black color, so it matches the whole interior. It's looking really good right now. We're using this duplicate color vinyl and fabric dye. Was around about $13, so I'm pretty stoked. That was actually cheap. And the whole purpose of why I bought this is putting it in is because there's a sub in there, and I'm going to put my sound system in there soon, and this is basically going to hide it, which is awesome, so people don't look and they're like, oh, you boo, those are mean as sub. Let's just wreck the whole car, all good. So we've got this awesome logo if you come over look here. This is from a Subaru, just the steering wheel, and it's a really old school Subaru logo. We're going to put it on here just to make it more, just to find things that make it look good. And we've measured that it's 17.5 around about there. We're going to do it with some super glue and it should stick. Very fine detail. So I'm just marking it here with this paper. I can move this logo and actually super glue it. What the? Oh, sorry. Yeah. What was I doing? Oh, this thing here. Okay, let's install it into the car. This is dried out.
It can be like one of those things that hey, gap it, G. It can be like one of those things that caravans have that like pull out the sides so you can have your picnic and shit. It's great.
Okay, now there's two holes on the sides there, as you can see, in the Imprezas, both sides. Yeah, and now we just shove this sauce out, hit my head. We shove those things in the hole. That's what she said. Comments were love.
Oh, don't go in the hole.
There we go, and that's all done. We got that nice Subaru logo. Look at that nice little touch there. And now you can't see. And that's basically how you can't really see it, but that's the cameraman there recording your phone. And that's basically how you install a cover from another Impreza and dye it basically. If it's black you don't need to really go through all that process, but you can definitely install that. I really like that.